Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. We're going to pick a lock this evening. We're going to this box from Leon's Lockpad. I got to get some locks picked, guys. I got some packages going out. And I know that I've never picked none of these. This is Nailed It, number 2, pinned by Lock Tree. Oh, I tried to find him on YouTube and I couldn't. Nothing came up when I searched for Lock Tree. Maybe I'm punching in the wrong guy or something. Okay. Let's see what we can do with the Schlug keyway. Let's get something to go on the bottom of that keyway. Okay, 50 thousandths. Like that as ever. Let's see if we can get this guy. We've got a little flop in that core, guys. I'm going to try and get you squared up a little bit here as much as I can. I'm going to push off this ledge. Okay, I got to click on 5. Pick's really tight, man. A little deeper. I believe that was 3. Oh, I got a bad itch. Ah, sorry. My nose had an itch. Okay, that was 2, and he overset me for sure. Okay, we're going to reset that and go back to the back of this lock. Oh, there's some overset traps in this, guys. Let me try a little thinner pick here. I'll try the sparrows and 20 thousandths. Man, I keep dropping my tension marks tonight. Okay. Kiwi's awfully big in there. Okay, 5 gave me a little click. Okay, 4 felt like it overset me. I'm a little tension off it. See if that's what the problem is there. Oh, it just went a little deeper there. That was on 3, I believe. Okay. Nothing on 1. Okay, that was 3, and it took some of my false set away. Everything went springy, so he overset me. Okay. All right, I just got him to fall back down. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. I'm going to come straight up from the bottom of this lock. Boy, just touch it. I think that was 2, and it gave me a little click and a little bit more turn on that core. Okay. 3 oversets you as soon as you touch him. Okay, that was 4. 4 wants to overset you too. Okay, just went a little deeper off of 5, I believe that was, guys. 3, I overset him again. Okay, we're going to drop him. He didn't come back down. We're going to reset. Okay, 5, little click and a little tiny turn on the core again. Nothing else is talking here, guys. Get cramps in my hands. Okay. I just heard something fall when I touched 1. Yeah, 4 definitely oversets you. As soon as you touch him, you just nudge 5, and he gives you a little bit of false set. It's a tough little lock, guys. I'm already 3.5 minutes into this. There was 2. Okay, I think that was 3, and it gave me a little tiny, just a little nudge, little tiny false set. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4, nothing. Okay, I'm overset again here, guys, for sure. I think that number 4 is a tapered pin, guys. 5. Little turn. Nothing on 4. That was 3. And he overset me, for sure. I'm a little rusty, guys. I ain't picked in a couple days. Tough little lock. I keep oversetting that pin. As soon as I touch it, I overset it. Yep, see, there it went again. Okay, I let him fall though, and gave me my little bit of a false setback. I'm not getting nothing out of 1, 2. I still got it, guys. Nothing on 1. 2 gave me a little tiny click that time. I believe I'm overset again. Yep. 2 definitely just overset me completely. I let him fall, went back into the false set. 3 does the same thing. It's an awesome little lock. Hope I'm not bending his pickup too bad. You know, being 20,000s and 18,000s don't get along too well, guys. Okay, I think that was a good set. My timer went out. I can't see my timer. Okay, 6 minutes, guys. Sorry for the long video here. Tough little lock. Okay, now I feel like 2 set right there. Okay, now I want to do a deeper false set. Okay. 1 just gave me a click and he's open. Beautiful. Wow, that's a tough little lock. 6.5 minutes, guys. Well, let's get this gutted and see what lock tree put in here for us. Regular screwdriver for this one. And sorry I haven't been around, guys. I've been really busy. Just all kinds of stuff going on here. But I will get them picked and, you know, timely as I can and get them sent out, guys. Okay. Take a piece off of there. Shimming that. It doesn't want to go past number 2 for some reason. Really tight up there in number 2. Okay, let's see if that shim's going to ride it out, I hope. Pinch it toward me. Yes, okay. Oof. Okay, it is a 6-pinner, but only 5 are populated, it looks like. Everything's in and working. You know what? Let's see if we can unmummy me this key real fast. Holy shit, that good tape. Wow. Okay. I'll retape this for Jesus Christ, that's good tape, man. It's pretty good bidding on there. Everything needed to be picked. As you can see, everything is in and working, guys. Beautifully. Okay, let's get these dumped here. Standard in 1. Sorry. Standard in 2. Oh, that was a tough little lock for having all standard key pins in it. Gotta be some magic upstairs. Okay. There's all of our key pin standard. I don't see nothing done to the plug here. No, everything's smooth in the plug, guys. And like I said, it's a 6-pin lock, but it's only got 5 populated in there. Let's get my tweezers down. Okay, a very nice sharp spool in 1. It looks like a reduced diameter pin. It is. Copper spring. Oh, come on, Bill. And I'll bring us down to the pinning tray here, guys, once I get all these out of here. Another awesome spool in 2. There's my full sets. And I thought number 4 would have been a tapered pin for sure, because every time I touched him, he overset me. I can't wait to see what's above him. Awesome serrated in 3. We'll take 4 and 5 out of the back, okay? Oh, man. Just nothing in 6. Here's 5. It's a screw. Very serrated screw. Threaded. Nicely done, sir. Okay. Last but not least. And another copper spring. Okay. I'm going to bring us down to the pinning tray here, guys. Show you what's in this lock. I don't think anything's done to that Bible. I'll check it right now. No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, my shim was still in there. Good thing that thing didn't get in the way, huh? I've done that before. Okay, and nothing done to the Bible either, guys. All right, I'm going to bring us down to the pinning tray here. Oh, 10:50. We got to hurry up. I'm sorry. Okay, so in one we had the standard. And then this really, really tiny reduced diameter that he made into a spool. This one's reduced diameter too. It's a serrated spool, really nicely done. And then in 3, we had this serrated, very nice pin, very tall pin too. And then in 4, we had this serrated. In 5, we actually had a piece of a screw. And that was where all that crunching was coming from in the back of the lock. All copper springs. Very nicely done, lock tree. I'm still trying to find your YouTube channel. I will find it soon enough, I'm hoping. There's all the pins there. But yeah, everything else was standard in the bottom of it. It was a pretty tough lock to pick for being standard key pins, but awesome job. It's all in the magic upstairs, guys. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. And see you soon. Thank you.